Parang hindi yan yung price kanina.
Oh my God!
Meron tayong bride and die. Bride or die. May bouquet pa sila. Oh my God. Ayun, camera. Okay. Oh my God! Masyadong mabilis! Masyadong mabilis! Wait lang! Paano ba to? Gusto ko yung sun. Wala na. Pagod na ako. Spider-Man. To photo booth owners, tagalan nyo naman. Money, money, money. Hack daw siya. Di ko alam kung totoo.
What the hell was that? Pag yan, ganun na naman yung...
Okay.
What the hell?
Natapat na ba?
Sa kabito na tayo dito.
Yes.
Manong bayad po? Sa Adamso?
Wow. Pwede ko pa kaya babaan yung temperature. Naka 22 pa lang. Everything will be okay in the end, but it's not the end yet. So it's not okay.
White!
Parang hindi yan yung price kanina. Mag-kids menu na lang. Welcome sa aming talk show. Saan very cancelable yung mga sasabihin namin. Please face over here.
Hello guys, today we're at Brickwood and this is our mic. And today's date, March 8th. Ito pala yung picture water.
Yoo-hoo! Make some blowout.
Ibang kuya.
Sige, isa po.
Found it.
Okay. Yeah, hindi siya mustache. Welcome to another episode of Bestie on a Budget. Budget ba ito? Happy tayo sa isa. Pang one serving, pero gagawin natin pang two. Sabi ko, sorry, may self-respect na ako. Pag nawala, try to. Pag ganyan ako, nag-timer ako ng 10 minutes, umiiyak ko sa kama na mag-edit. Karangat ko, basang-basa yung bedsheet. Umupo ako sa harap ng computer, nag-aral ulit ako. Tapos nag-quiz ako. Like, are you following me?
Somewhat gatekeeping
Oo,
na.
dito na eh. Kaya ako nasa, may pinapaalam siya eh.
Flip 3. I'm gonna flip 3.
You
Pag
sure?
ito talaga, o plus 2.
Okay.
Oh, times 2! Okay, okay. Good, good, good. You did. 12. Ayoko na gumalaw, may 12 ako.
8.
Bro.
0. 11. I should stop. 5. 4. 4, 3, 6, 7. 1. Next one. Sige. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you ba ako dito? We're going to another cafe. We're going to another food place. Habang may pera pa kami. Mahihiya ba ako dyan? O sige, mahihiya ako. Bakit? May tao eh.
Basta ulit. 370 sa kabila, 170 lang dito. Eh di sana nakapag-each na lang tayo.
Para di na natin kaya mag...
But I haven't tried this one naman. So we will try this one. Ilan natin kay Kuya.
Kuya, back to you. You'll pay? Okay.
40 pay.
Okay. Sige, make that 2. There you go. Nakikita ko yung camera natin. Right there.
Tikila.
Gusto mo ba lumapit? Alright. Let's go. Ang tawag doon dito? No. Ito. We have a lot of clay. Magcha-chocolate ako. Chocolate strawberry cake. Spanish bread to eh. Oh.
You need to turn it, no?
Oh, croissant.
Yan. Perfect.
Croissant. Yan ka. Dory?